Hello, Photo 100 students. I wanted to give you another video on how to upload your cell phone images into a computer so that you can submit them into Canvas. Remember, you cannot directly upload your pictures from a cell phone or a tablet into Canvas. You will need to use a computer. So here I have a Photo 100 Beginning Photography Canvas shell open. On the left-hand side, we will see assignments. And we will pick the assignment. So this one is going to be a test assignment for demonstration. And up here you will see your submit assignment location. So let's prepare our document so that we can submit it for points. First of all, you're going to create some kind of document. This is a Word document here, just a blank Word document. If you do not have a Word document, you can also use Google Docs. Now we need to get our pictures onto this blank sheet here. What I did is I took my phone and I emailed my picture to myself. So here's my Chris Shelby. Here's my photo to demo right here. Here's my Cat Mini. And I've already flipped it into black and white on my phone, so it's all ready to go. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click on the image. I'm going to hit Control and I'm going to hit Export to Photos. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Here is my picture right here. I'm going to click on my picture, go up to Edit, Copy, go over to my blank Word document over here, or my Google Doc, and I'm going to hit Edit, Paste, and there's my picture. Now, underneath if the picture's coming in really large, I should be able to get 2 to a page. Right now I'm only getting 1 for a page. I'm going to click on the image, a bounding box appears, and I'm going to pull it from the corners to make it slightly smaller. I want 2 pictures ideally to fit on 1 page. I don't want the images so small I can't see them to grade them, but I want at least 2 per page. So that should give me enough room. Underneath this, I'm going to go ahead and hit Return. I'm going to put my name. I'm going to put it was an iPhone 10 or X, I guess. I can put the date that it was taken. This was taken in March. And I'll put 2020. And I can put a caption. This is my Cat Mini sitting on the morning newspaper. Okay, so there we go. And I have if I wanted to add more caption, I could add a few more sentences. If I wanted to add another picture, I could go back to my pictures folder here, or I could email myself another picture and click on it as well. I've gone back to my email here and I picked another image here, again already selected in black and white. I'm going to click on it, hit Control, Export to Photos. Here's my Photos folder here. Here's my picture right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. It tells me the date at the top of February 12th. I'm going to come up here to the top and hit Copy. Go over to my Word document over here. And I'm going to maybe have down here, and I'm going to go ahead, hit Edit, and Paste. There's my image. Again, it's coming in really, really large. It's kind of not formatting the way I want, so I'm going to hit Command Z to undo it and click down a little bit more and then hit it again to hit Paste. And there we go. And again, it's coming in too large. I'm going to click on it, shrink it down quite a bit here. And you'll notice that we have some issues here, so I'm going to hit Come here and backspace up. There it is. I can create a little room between it. So now it's on a separate page. If I want it on the same page, I would just continue to play with this and shrink this down. There we go. Now I've got them both on the same page. I can add another caption. my name, the date, the title would be, or the phone would be iPhone 10, same iPhone. The date, February 2020, and then a caption. This is, or a location would be Venice Beach. And then I could add a caption if I want. For your assignments, you're going to be turning in 4 different pictures, but to simplify this and to keep our video short, I'm just going to show you 2. You can certainly add more. You can see how we're going to do this. I want to come up here and hit File. I'm going to hit Save As. I'm going to create a new location for it. I'm going to put this file on my desktop right now, and I'm going to rename it Chris Shelby project number 1. Hit Save. There it is. Now I'm going to go back to my Submit Assignment button. I'm going to go over here to File Upload. I'm going to choose my file and go to Desktop. And I'm going to find my file, which is hard to find because I have too many. Right here, Chris Shelby's document 1. Hit Open. You will see the file immediately appear right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit Submit Assignment. And I've already resubmitted it once, so I'm submitting it again. And I'm done. That's it, folks. I hope that helped. If not, email me or inbox me. Have a good day.